Hello students, welcome to Deeksha Karnataka. Today we are going to start with the new series revision movements for Re-NEET 2026. Am I audible? Okay. Let's start. Is this color is visible? Yes. Revision movements for NEET 2026. Okay. Biological classification. Okay. Now biological classification is something which deals with the classification of organisms, living organisms. Okay. Living organisms. Okay. Into many classes, into many bases. Into many bases. Okay. So majorly, initially, when we will deal with the classification, there are five kingdom system of classification given by R.H. Whittaker. Initially, there was two kingdom, three kingdom, four kingdom, and then five kingdom. Okay. Even six kingdom is also there. Okay. Kingdom Monera, Protista, Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Okay, done. Here, unicellular prokaryotic. And yes, how many questions will come from this chapter? Five questions. Five questions every time in NEET. Very high weightage topics. Unicellular prokaryotic, unicellular, eukaryotic, Done. Or multicellular eukaryotic. Done. Multicellular eukaryotic. Done. It is, if multicellularity is there, complexity is there. Metaphyta. Metazoa. Zoa means locomotion is there. Eukaryotic. Okay. Okay, students. Hi Nagar. Hi Nagaraja Banik. Hi Mirosbi Sobi. It will be 40 minutes. Okay. Now you very well know that the organism who are having prokaryotic cell, they are known as prokaryotes. Done. Now, what is a prokaryotic cell? In which nucleus is ill-defined, not bounded by nuclear membrane. There is no specific shape, size, structure, and the cell organelles are almost absent. If some are present, they are not bounded by cell membrane. Means they are bounded by a membrane, but which is not a cell membrane, which is not having that structure of bilayer of lipids and phospholipids. Bilayer of lipids with and proteins embedded in it. Okay, so nucleus ill-defined. Done. Ill-defined, bounded by nuclear membrane, not bounded by nuclear membrane, are absent. If present, not bounded by cell membrane. Cell membrane. Some cell organelle are itself the modifications who are performing the metabolism and allowing the organism to survive. What kind of organism included in prokaryote? Whole soul member bacteria. In kingdom Monera. Okay. Archibacteria, Eubacteria. Okay, done. Yes, they are having cell envelope. which can be 3 to 2 layered. What kind of layer it is? The name is outer glycocalyx. Okay. Then middle cell wall, then inner cell membrane. Okay. Glycocalyx can be slimy loose layer or tough capsular layer. Okay. Cell wall and cell membrane. If we consider the bacterial structure, okay, in eukaryotic cell, everything is very well developed. Nucleus is well developed, bounded by cell membrane. Well developed cell organelles are present, bounded by cell membrane. Majorly, if we consider the plant and animal cell, you will see various kinds of cell organelles. Okay, the plant is having cell wall with cell membrane. Animal is only having cell membrane. Okay, so nucleus is well developed. Okay, nucleus is well developed, bounded by nuclear membrane. Cell organelles are present. Bounded by cell membrane. Okay, done. Now, if you consider the name of cell organelles, okay, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, then mm, vacuoles, lysosomes, done. Then plastids, kitchen house of the cells only in plants. Mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell, more in animals than in plants. Okay, centrioles, centrosomes, centrioles, centrosomes, and what else? Microtubules, microfilaments. Okay. Generally, the five kingdoms are classified on various characteristics like cell type, okay, cell type, cell wall, nuclear membrane, okay, nuclear membrane, body organization, and mode of nutrition. Okay, mode of nutrition. Hi Vijju, hi Honam, Honan Mahapada. Now, if you consider kingdom Monera, what kind of organisms are included? Archibacteria, okay, in which halophiles, methanogens, eubacteria, in Protista, what kind of organisms? Hmm? Chrysophiles, dinoflagellates, hmm, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, hmm, slime molds, protozoans, okay. Today I'm only giving the framework of this chapter. In deep we will start with tomorrow. Kingdom fungi, ascomycetes, basidiomycetes, deuteromycetes, okay, phycomycetes, okay, done. Plantae, in Plantae what else? Helophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperms, Angiosperms. Okay. And if we consider kingdom Animalia, now you have all kinds of phylums in kingdom Animalia. Means these are separate chapters. This is just a framework for the chapters. Non-chordata, kingdom Porifera, Teleonterata, Ctenophora, uh, Platyhelminthes, hmm, Aschelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, hmm, Hemichordata. Okay. Chordata. What chordata? In which notochord is present. Urochordata, Cephalochordata, Vertebrata. In Vertebrata, the notochord is further converted to vertebral column. Agnatha, Cyclostomata. No, it is Gnathostomata. Cyclostomata. Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Mammalia. Okay, students. So this is all about your today's topic. From tomorrow, we will deal with in deep. Means like we will start with kingdom fungi. or kingdom Monera. So we will, separate the topics. We'll deal with kingdom Monera properly, then kingdom Protista, then kingdom Fungi, then kingdom Plantae, and kingdom Animalia with complete character. This is only the framework. Okay. Thank you so much.